warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo everyone. So let me introduce myself. My name is Suci Widyati, but you can call me Suci, and I'm from Humble. Hi Suci. Halo Miss. Yeah, and then hi guys. Let me introduce myself. My name is Chelly. I'm a student of MS Pharmacy. Okay, today our topic is about three forget moment. Oh, you mean three unforgettable moments in your life? Yeah, three unforgettable. What is unforgettable? What is unforgettable moment? Okay, the first my experience. I joined the flag racing training at the district with my friends. Wow, so interesting. Can you tell me what happened and when? When did it happen? Okay, last year I joined a flag racing training at the district with my friends, and we trained very hard every day. So we woke up early and properly, and then properly, and then what is it? You were yeah, discipline and responsibility and team together as a team. Teamwork together as a team, and then the training was difficult, but I learned many new things. Oh yeah, and what did you learn from that moment? What did you learn? I think I have new friends, and then discipline, responsibility, and then teamwork. Oh, and then what the second? What is the second unforgettable moment in your life? The second one. The second, I think. Uh, I think a photo shoot with my elder brother. When you took picture with your elder brother, I think when and what happened? When it was unforgettable for you. Because he is invited me of the photo shoot was there, and then I so happy, and then we take a picture, like because I think take a picture maybe is something important for you. Yeah, important for me because actually I with my brother went very far. Yeah, so far. Oh, you were seldom to meet your elder brother. Seldom to meet. Meet, I think. And what about the third unforgettable moment? The third, I think, oh, my graduation last year. When you were in senior high school? Yeah, in senior high school. Yeah. What happened? Why why did you uh, feel deep and that is unforgettable for you? Okay. I will tell you about my graduation last year. Last year I graduated of senior high school. Yeah, from senior high school. And then we took a picture together, and then we like vlog together, and then we make a video, and so happy. And oh, I really miss that moment. Were you not sad? Were you not sad at the moment because that was the last time to meet your friend? I think I'm not feel sad because that moment it make me I I think I was happy, and then mm, my feel not sad. And then from the three your unforgettable moment, will you forget it, or you will always remember that moment? I think the from the three moment, I will never through at the moment because I always happy, and yeah. So you will always remember that moment. Yeah, of course. Yeah, yeah. And what? How about the new place you come? You come in Paris. Do you have the best and unforgettable moment? I think when I come vacation, I invite the new friends, and I so confused because this the at the Pare, because I don't want anyone. Why? Because like so in there, I and my new friends, and like introduce like each other. Yeah, yeah. You just know each other, but you don't make close with them. Oh, yeah. I think enough. Okay, okay, sweetie. Thank you for sharing your unforgettable moment. It was very interesting.